This Astra AI shows up like the school tutor who never sleeps, never asks for transport money, and never judges you for asking, "What even is algebra?" The app says it helps students with math, physics, chemistry, English, German, and more using step by step answers, exam prep, solver mode, Socratic mode, and photo based homework help. The feature list is actually strong. Google Play says Astra AI can scan assignments, explain problems step by step, build curriculum based lessons, cover 14 subjects, and help with targeted exam preparation. Their exam prep page also says you can upload notes, PDFs, worksheets, or past exams, then get quizzes, flashcards, podcasts, conversations, and a custom study plan. That sounds very powerful, like your notebook suddenly got a brain and started charging rent. The ratings look impressive too. Google Play shows Astra AI around 4.5 stars from over 70,000 reviews, while the App Store listing I found shows 4.8 from over 4,000 ratings. Some users say it explains topics well, helps with schoolwork, and makes studying easier. So, no, this is not some random AI tutor app held together by duct tape and motivational quotes. But here comes the paywall wearing a graduation cap. Several App Store and Google Play reviewers complain that the free version becomes very limited, sometimes allowing only a tiny number of questions or lessons before pushing users toward Plus. Trusted Shops reviews are also mixed. Some students praise the concept, but others complain about incorrect math answers, misunderstood instructions, support issues, and unexpected higher charges. That is not AI Tutor. That is AI Tutor with a bouncer at the door. Final verdict. Astra AI is a useful study assistant if you want explanations, practice questions, and structured exam prep. But it should not replace actual learning, teachers, or checking answers yourself, because AI can still make mistakes with full confidence, like a student who didn't study but speaks loudly. Try the free version first, test it on subjects you know, and only pay if the limits and pricing make sense. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.